Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, welcome, and I hope the whole Pink squad is doing fine on this Tuesday night, sort of. Maybe if you're watching this during the Tuesday night. Anyways, today I'll be bringing y'all the Jaclyn Hill Volt Morphe collection. You have two different eyes because I cannot decide on the colors. But as you can see, I did not finish the eye look. Why? Girl, let me spill the tea right now that they are horrible. Well, not they, but D. So these do retail for $49. They are restocking them on the 28th in case you do want to get them. And it seems like a lot of people are so excited over the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill brush collection. It's just like you just launched the palettes, now you're coming up with the brush collection. Morphe is just money hungry right now. Like, they're just ignoring us. There's been a whole bunch of people that have been saying that their palettes are horrible, that they are chalky, they are patchy, like horrible, and still Morphe is just like whatever, can you buy the brushes? It's just like, really, Morphe? So if you want to see how they worked out, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is the Volt collection right here. I'm sorry, new lighting, so it is pretty kind of crazy bright in here. Okay, so it does come with all four palettes. This did retail for $49 if I'm not mistaken. They did have a $11 discount, but each palette does cost $15 if I'm not mistaken. So this is what the palettes look like. You do pull this little thingy right here. So cool. And I know there was a lot of hype on this palette because of the V1 and V2. I did receive V2, so supposedly that did not have to do anything with the product. Okay, so I really did swatch these shades, each shade in each palette, so I'll be inserting kind of like a picture on what it looked on swatch on my arm. Let's go ahead and give these a try because I mean a lot of people have been saying they were bad, so I do not even know which one to go for, but I'm gonna be just showing y'all. And this one right here, it is Arm and Gorgeous. Okay, this one right here, it is Arm and Gorgeous. This one, it is Ring the Alarm, which I was so excited for this one.
Bling Boss. Oh, I'm always dropping everything.
Is this one right here. Now, this is Dark Magic. Now, I wasn't that crazy over Dark Magic, but seeing this color right here, which is an olive army green kind of color, I'm excited for that. So a lot of people were excited for this one, which is Art and Gorgeous, which I won't be using in the day of today. And please excuse my makeup because I've been wearing this makeup since 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with Armed and Gorgeous. I am really loving that mustardy kind of shade. Some of my brushes are kind of dirty, so I'll be using the AOA brush cleaner. And to prep my eyes, I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Obviously, if you're new, this is what normally I use, either this or a really light concealer. So I want to go ahead and use products that I know that works for me. I don't want to go ahead and use something that I know that it might be a hit or miss. Now, if you don't follow me, obviously you don't know why I use a white jumbo pencil. The reason is because I do follow Yuki, if you know who Yuki is. I really love her videos, and she did this video where she shows you how to brighten up the colors, and she used either a really light concealer or, you know, a white eyeshadow base. And girl, it is a game changer. If y'all have not tried this out, you're missing out. You're really missing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my finger. I'll be going in with the AOA E135. It is just a fluffy brush. Now I really want to go with Access, which is the mustardy shade. Now I'm not going to set this, guys. I don't set my base down just because if it's like a really yellow or bright color, I want to get the intensity out of it. And when I swatched this color, it looked pretty good. So you do get a lot of kickback. You know, just the normal, I guess. So I'll go ahead and applying that on my transition shade. Okay. You know, this color does pop way more than the regular Jaclyn Hill palette, because I've been working with that yellow mustardy shade, and it was pretty hard to work with it. I mean, not hard, but it wasn't that pigmented. Maybe because I haven't played with it that much, but I did had a really hard time building that color up. I had to put like a really bright yellow under it, and then, you know, put the Jaclyn Hill on top. So far so good. Now some people did had a lot of problems with blending out the eyeshadows, and some people didn't. So you never know. I mean, you never know which palette, you know, I got. Might be the new one, might be the old formula. I think it was just like all the hype was that Ulta was selling the old formula palettes supposedly. Now we don't know. A lot of people were saying that they got V1 and those were the really bad ones. Now I did get this straight from the Morphe website, just so y'all know. So now I am not a pro by any means. I am just a girl that really loves makeup, so might be doing something wrong. I do not know. Anywho, I'm gonna be using the E126, and it's just a clean fluffy brush. I'll just go ahead and be blending that out just to make sure it's really good. And so far, yes, it was, you know, pigmented. It did blend out really nice. So I just want to further blend that out. What do y'all think? One side is darker than the other, huh? Let's go ahead and build that color up again. Supposedly some people were saying that the colors oxidize. Supposedly. Okay, those seem pretty much similar. I guess I'll be going in with Agent. Now, like I said, you do get a little bit of kickback. I don't know. I mean, I'm not even pressing that hard, but still, I'll just go ahead and take that a little bit. Okay. A little bit lower. Is it me, or these colors are just like smushing up together? So I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe the AOA E135 with not any product, just whatever is left on it, I guess. Just go ahead and finish blending that color out. Just Okay, so I'll be taking, I really wanted to go in with the army green color right here, which a lot of people were saying that it was really patchy and really bad, but I really want to go in with the coin, which is this one right here. I have not even swatched it. Oh wow, girl, that is precious. Should I go in with Top Secret or with Pro? I believe that's how you pronounce it. This one or this one? I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this green right here. It does have a lot of kickback. Okay, now I see what people are talking about. Girl. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M166. Now, y'all see all that powder? And I'm like, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that down. Girl. Okay, so on one side I'm gonna do this olive green color, and the other side I'm gonna do coin. Go back in with Access. So you don't get a lot of kickback on Access just after a little while of using it. That's what I barely noticed. So I'm gonna be going in with Access, trying to blend out where that green was going to be placed, because girl, it was not looking good. It was not looking good at all. It just looks, these colors do not want to blend. I'm like, girl, I know I'm not good at blending, but still, girl does not want to blend. Why? Like, I can see that brown color like right here. I don't know if y'all can see it like straight, like right there. It looks unblendable. Okay, I know I'm not a pro on blending and all that stuff, but girl, I do know how to blend like a beginner, at least. Like, not a beginner, but I don't know how to explain myself, but I do know it's semi-blending, and I know when a color does not want to blend. This looks like I had to build up this color really good, and I was really excited for this olive green. Let me try another brush. Let me go back to that Morphe R135. Y'all see that? Like, do y'all see that? Does not want to blend. Be going in with this little Profusion brush. I'm gonna be going with Smooth Criminal. God damn, these are powdery. But okay, Smooth Criminal does seem like, is it me? I'm gonna be taking a Wet n Wild brush and just blend that out. Like, girl, I was working with her other palette and it looked like really good, and it's just like,
in my life.
I'll be using some morphe mist, and I'll be taking coin. Oh, that is to die for. Okay, yeah, this one is, it's nice. So get over here, lights. Can y'all see this? Like, really, guys? Like, I'm putting this right now, right in my face. Like, literally, that does not look good. I know I'm not a professional blender, but girl, that color did not want to budge. It's just like stick there like glue. And this one right here, like, you can see like where it's just like not blending out. All the colors come together. It's just not blending. Like, should I keep on? I do not know. I was gonna try the next palette, but girl, maybe the rest will be good. And if I'm gonna try the rest of the palettes, and if I don't like them, I will not do an update video. But if I do like them, I'll be doing an update video. Like right there, like the color will not budge. You can see right here when it's like patchy, like right here in my inner corner. Like the other colors would just not blend in together. That brown is just like splotchy, muddy, bad. Not even the Shop Miss 8 eyeshadows do this, like really. So far I did not like the palettes. I did like the pressed foil shadows, but girl, let me know in the comments below if y'all want me to do more videos using the palettes. I pretty much don't have anything to do, so yeah. Maybe if I did something wrong, guys, let me know. So yeah, that's I'm done with this right now. I'm just like, but still, I might be a beginner on eyeshadows, but girl, I know how to blend my eyeshadows, sort of. I believe in second chances, and I'll go ahead and give it a second chance. And I'll be doing more of the palettes. I'll be testing out the rest of the palettes, and like I said, if I do have an update, I'll be updating y'all. But so far, I regret getting this palettes. I do regret it. And if y'all know if we can go ahead and return this, let me know, because I would love my $49 back. So yeah, if any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one.